Good evening, everyone. So, as I had promised last time, I'm here to release the math paper. Hello, everybody. The Beast. May I know your name? Hi. If you can just please type your name so that I come to know who you are and I can refer to you. All right. There are four things that we are going to talk about today. Number one is the free paper that we are planning to give you all. Hi, Prajot. Hi, Tejal Choksi. If you are writing a hi, please also write where are you all from so that I can relate better with you all. Hi Soumya, good to hear from you. Such a nice name, Soumya, and you're calling yourself Beast. Okay, nevertheless. Omkar Kiluskar from Mumbai, nice to hear that. Kunal Sonkar from Jabalpur, brilliant. Paper not visible, yes, because it's not released yet. I'm releasing in next 2 minutes. Okay, so don't bother. Don't worry, whatever I have promised, 100% you will get. I will not take my word back. Hello Rahul, you're from Hisar, Haryana. Lovely, nice to hear that. Soumya again from Mumbai. Josie, I am from Andhra Pradesh. That's great. Christiana, nice. West Bengal, Somadeep Saha, brilliant. Tanvi again from Mumbai. Duis from Jharkhand. Angshika from Varanasi, superb. Amna from Kerala, wow. Hello, sir. Remember me from Pune? Yes, Siddesh, I do remember you. Siddesh Shinde. Perfect. From Jharkhand. Brilliant. Mukul from UP. Super. All right, guys, let's come to business. So, four things that I'm going to announce today. One is about the free paper. Second is about the paper discussion. The third is about MCQ papers of other subjects. And fourth is a hidden thing which is a mega thing which I'm going to tell you. So the fourth thing is really a mega thing, and you should be hooking around because I'm going to give something for free as well along with the papers. Okay. Now, where the paper will be released. So I'm releasing one 40 marks paper now in next 2 minutes. You will find this paper ka link on Instagram, Facebook, as well as our YouTube community. So the link will be shared in these three places. But if you want to attempt the test, then you'll have to come on the Rough Box app. So I hope all of you are on the Rough Box application. And on the Rough Box, if you do not know how to download it, on my opening channel ka opening page, you will see one video which tells you how to download the Rough Box app. Once you open the Rough Box app, on top left you will see three dashes. You click on the three dashes, and then you will get the option as free test. Click on free test. You will see four tests which are free over there. I have kept for you one physics ka force test. I have kept GST mock test. Number 3, I have kept geography test. And number 4 is what you will see the test popping up in next 1 minute. The name is Math Semester 1, full paper 2. It is going to look like this, full paper 2. So what you do is these three lines which you can see over here on top, click on that. This menu will pop up. Click on free test. And when you do that, you will see all the free tests which you can attempt. So you will see the free test Math Semester 1 full paper 2. When you click on that, you will be able to attempt. I have given you all 5 free attempts. So you can attempt the same paper 5 times. Ankarwala student here, brilliant. Krishna Bakai. Thank you, Krishna, for joining. All right, so I've given you 5 attempts over there. You can attempt this paper 5 times in next 3 days. 19th is the day when I'm going to discuss the paper. So the paper discussion, I am sure the paper is not that simple. It is a slightly tougher than the board level, so that you are prepared well for the board exam. Okay, so please take the paper seriously, prepare yourself well, and then attempt. I think the paper is live now. You can check yourself if it is live or no. And once it is there, don't waste your attempt by just opening it right now. Only when you're ready, open it and give the paper religiously. You do that, 100% you will do good work with the exam. You will see right on top, math semester 1, full paper 2. You attempt the paper, 100% you will have doubts. If not, you are a genius. If you don't have doubts, I'm seeing you. If you have doubts, I'm seeing you on 19th. 19th, I'm going to go on Zoom and then connect live on YouTube. So if you want to be a part of Zoom, all right, the links will be shared, the Zoom links, but the preference is going to be given to all the people who had joined the crash course for mathematics or any other crash course for that matter with Roughbox. So we had run a crash course. Anyone who's there for the crash course already enrolled will get the preference to join the Zoom because we just have 100 participants. And the rest of them will have to see the discussion on YouTube live, right? So if you want to be a part of the Zoom, you have to look at three places: YouTube community, Instagram, and Facebook. Instagram is where we are going to release the link first. So I would want you to go and follow the Instagram right now. That's double underscore rough box double underscore. So you can go right now and follow the Instagram so that if the link is shared over there for the paper or for the discussion, you are the first one to get it and you can be the chosen one in the first 100 people. You also can follow Facebook and the YouTube, obviously. Okay. So the first thing, as I told you, the paper is already released as I promised. Number two is the paper discussion, which is going to happen on the 19th. And if you want to be a part of the Zoom so that you can interact with me in person, obviously virtually, in that case, you'll have to follow the Instagram, you have to follow the YouTube community, and you will find the link there. Are the questions similar to the crash course which we had said earlier? Abhijit Jha, no. This is a completely fresh paper. And Abhijit Jha, if you remember, you are a part of math crash course. I clearly remember. So you had asked me, sir, if I can set another paper for you all. So this is the paper for you. And the discussion also I have arranged for you all, which I had promised. Okay. So you can join the discussion as well, and you will get the full paper discussion as well. So I've kept my promise with you guys as well. Last day to attempt the test, there is no last day. You can attempt anytime before your exam. But if you attempt before 19th, then on 19th when I'm doing the discussion, it makes more sense to you. All right. So that's the third thing about the paper discussion. And please follow Instagram. I repeat, double underscore roughbox double underscore. The next thing is very, very important for me. The MCQ papers of all subjects, okay, are available right now on the Roughbox app. They were earlier for 3,000, we brought it down to 2,000. And now, the biggest announcement, we brought it down to 1,000. So if you want MCQ papers of all subjects, which are of some value, if you look out for other publications, they give you questions which are already omitted or not expected. Whereas these papers are set by board correctors, so they are as per the board standards. So if you want to really test yourself where you stand with the timer and everything with the simulation, go out for this. So these test papers are subject wise, and each subject will have topic wise 20 marks paper and one full paper. It was for 2,000, but if you use a coupon code, which I'm telling you now, the coupon code is MNG 1K. If you use that, then it turns down to rupees 1,000. Pooja Pingle, I do remember. So MNG 1K, if you use, when you look at that particular course, you just have to type MCQ all subjects and in the Roughbox app in the search bar, and you'll be able to see that popping up. You click on it, it'll be for 2,000. Then you look out for coupon code and click on show all. When you click on show all, you will see MNG 1K coupon code ready over there. You click on that and the price drops down to less than 1,000 rupees. Once it is less than 1,000 rupees, do attempt. You will see the solution as well as the paper over there, and you will get better practice for your examination. As I promised, there is a mega announcement as well. Now, what is this mega announcement? Today itself, we did it with Ankarwala School. If the entire school wants, okay, then your teacher or principal has to connect with us. My number is 915-295-8335. If the school connects with us, if they call us, then we will give your entire school ka all students semester 1 videos completely free. So if you want your Sem 1, yes, you heard it right. All semester 1 videos, if you want them free, then you have to connect to your teacher or your principal. Ask them to call us on this number, and we will take your entire school students into one batch. We will create a batch and we'll give you all the videos of semester 1 for free. So if you want to connect with us, you have to connect with your teacher. If you are calling up, definitely we are. Don't try pranks by calling up that you are teacher or principal yourself, please. So ask them to call us, and 100% we will help you. Yes, really, Pooja Pingle, I mean that. Till date, whatever promises I have done, I have always fulfilled them. And I promise this time also, any school from anywhere around the country or maybe outside the country, if they really want and if they connect with us, the entire school, whatever the number of students are there, we'll give them entire Sem 1 videos completely free, and that too not for 1 week or few days. It's going to be there throughout your first semester exam. I really mean it, okay? Because I want to extend my help to all the schools. But if you're coming individual, I am sorry, I am not going to help you. In that case, you have to go to the app and subscribe for the videos. But if you're really looking out for everyone's benefit, then you should connect to your school. So I am looking out for a larger benefit. You also have to look out for a larger benefit than individual interest. So no individual interest. Connect with your school, get them connected to us, and 100% we'll help you. Yes, sir, I will let my principal know this for sure. Pooja, which school are you from? If you don't mind, and if you can put that in the chat box. So this is a mega announcement from my side. The second mega announcement. I spoke to Hindi teacher today, and he agreed. Agreed for what? So one day prior to your board exam, we are going to have a session live in which we are going to talk about most likely questions that can be expected the next day in your paper. So let's say your maths paper is on, I don't remember the date. Let's say if it is on 7th of December, then 6th of December at night, 8 o'clock, I'll be live on Zoom, connected to YouTube. You can join Zoom, and there I'm going to talk about the most likely questions. Likewise, Hindi teacher has agreed. So for Hindi paper also, we are going to do the same. I am trying and doing it for other subjects also, mostly for English, history, geography, physics, chemistry, and biology. Also, I will convince the teachers. So one day prior, you will be able to get these live sessions of most likely questions, what can be expected the following day in your exam. So if you want to be a part of it and you want the notifications, obviously you'll have to follow three places as I told you. The notifications will be either on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook. So Instagram handle _roughbox _. YouTube you already know Dr. Mitesh Gala, and Facebook is also roughbox. So follow them, and we might put the link anywhere. You can join, and 100% you will not be disappointed. Podar International School, Kalyan Vedant Patil. I would also tell my principal. Perfect. But you all will have to do it as quickly as possible because the days are less. The faster we give you, the more benefit you can take from the videos. Schools won't agree. They will say you have math teacher in school, take help from them. Yes, that's a valid point. But don't worry, you just make me speak to your school teacher, and convincing them is my job. But at least let us get connected with them, and then I will tell them how it can be benefited and how school teacher also will be benefited out of this. So don't worry, just speak to your schools and let me know. Chinmaya Vidyalaya Pooja Pingle. Perfect. Speak to your principal, speak to your teacher, and just tell them to give us one call. That's it. Tell them even if they are not convinced, just give us one call and we'll see how to speak to them. Don't worry. I am from Mumbai, Manan Jaswani. So there were 5 major announcements. Number one, the paper is already released. If someone can just put in the chat box confirming that you can see the paper. Number two, 19th, 8 o'clock at night, discussion of the paper is going to happen. The links will be shared on Insta, Facebook, and YouTube community. So be a part of Insta, please. _roughbox _. Okay. The discussion is going to be at 8 o'clock on Zoom, and the links will be shared. Only the first 100 people will be allowed, but the preference will be given to all the people who had taken the crash course on Roughbox. Number three is that the links will be shared on these 3 platforms. Number 4, the mega announcement. The test papers have been brought down to ₹1,000 only. So if you want to avail them, use the coupon code MNG1K. Okay. If you find any difficulty doing that, call us on 915-295-8335 and we will help you straight away. And number five, if you want your entire school to get the videos of Sem 1 mathematics free, connect us to your principal or the teacher and we will give it to the entire school. Don't worry about that at all. Okay. I am Alexander from Amritsar. Hi, Alexander. Spread the word about this channel so that most of the people, and I forgot one more mega announcement. One day prior to the exam, you're going to get most likely questions. And for that, you need to stay tuned with us so that whenever we give an announcement, you can get easily about it. Also on Instagram, you will find something very interesting that we are doing. Right now, we are sending something called as study bites. Now, what is the study bites? So we make short videos out of the longer videos in which in 30 seconds, we try and tell you what is the crux of that topic. For example, what are the types of matrices, or maybe what are the nature of roots in quadratic equations. So 30-second videos which talks about all this. All this in the form of reels. You will find it on Instagram and they are really, really very good. It helps you to retain them well. So do follow the Instagram so that it really helps you. I am not doing any kind of advertisements anywhere. I'm just doing all this on an organic basis and I want it to grow organically. And therefore, you will not find any of our advertisements going anywhere. We're just doing the organic way, and for that, we need your support. Only when you spread the message to others, others will be benefited. I also will be benefited. Last time I remember, I gave you one more promise. The promise was if you give me 500 followers on Insta, so right now you'll give me 40. It reaches 500 followers in next 10 days or so. I will create one more math question paper free for everybody. And you know, if I make a promise, I will follow it for sure. Okay. Likewise on YouTube right now we are on 18,490 something. You help me grow another 200 or 250 subscribers in next 10 days. 250 I'm asking for, not a big number. Okay, in next 7 days, not 10 days, in next 7 days, so that I can create one more paper for you. I promise if that happens, I will create one more paper for all of you. Okay, so that's it from my side, guys. Sir, I can see the test paper. Thank you, Pooja, for communicating that with me. So anything from my side, let me know if I can help you. Numbers are there. Call us anytime. We will help you with that and connect us with your school so that we can help you. The problem is I'm not on Insta, same problem with my friends. No problem. Continue following YouTube community and help YouTube to grow at least. So as I gave you the solution, if you're not on Insta, help us grow the YouTube subscribers. 250 is the magical number I'm looking at for. So let's say 500 now. So it should be 18,750 in next 7 days. Today is 16th, 23rd. By that time I get 18,750 and I will make one more paper for you. And I promise this paper also which you're going to write, you will enjoy it. It's really a good paper. Okay. All right, guys, enjoy the paper. Love you all. Take care. Stay in touch and let us know how we can help you further. Bye bye. Good night. किया मैंने पूरा